Today we're going to be checking out the newest version of DOÐA İçİN ÇAL. I said that completely wrong. I do not know how to speak Turkish. I'm very sorry.
But it's the 14th edition. We reacted to like the most popular one recently, and now we're
The
checking out this one
8th?
because it's new. Yeah, I think it
I
was
believe
8th,
we
yeah.
did the 8th. So, let's do it. Here we go. We don't have subtitles for this. Oh, yeah.
Learned it's combining nature and music. That explains
Heck
the
yeah.
logo. Oh, there's a lot
That's
of
a
birds.
lot of birds. Wow.
Is this the same
Feel like
spot the guy was in last time?
Yeah, I remember that guy sitting on that weird tree.
Oh.
Whoa. It's a faster pace one.
I like that instrument.
That's really cool. Ooh. Wow. Fantastically crafted instrumental so far.
I love it.
Ooh.
Oh. Pinocchio.
Squidward's clarinet.
Did he have a butterfly land on his shoulder?
Did it?
I think.
Oh yeah, he does have a little butterfly on him. Squidward never played the clarinet that well, unfortunately. Sounds a lot
No.
better with that guy.
Maybe Squilliam, but I don't know.
No.
I don't. Squidward never hit that level.
No.
He's going off.
Man. Seems like he's got to blow a lot of air into that thing.
Yeah. Oh.
Wow. What the heck? That's a new instrument.
Oh.
What? They got everything.
Why does it make me
Yeah.
uncomfortable not to see the end of it?
I don't know. Do you have some like OCD about guitars being fully finished?
It just reminds me of like a severed limb, like it's missing its hand or something.
Oh no.
These people are so talented.
Whoa.
Cool, slow it down.
That's impressive.
Oh,
So how does this one make you feel when it's shaped like that?
I feel like it, I was about to say it like shows the ladder, like it's more like a ladder design, so I'm fine with it. It's kind of like a climbing, but it doesn't really look like a ladder.
It almost looks like one of the weird skyscrapers you'd see in some sort of like Southeast Asian city
It does, it does. I could see that.
if it was vertical. Oh.
Now that's a broken wrist right there. The cats.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That thing's so crazy long. It looks like it's like a fruit stem that's way too long.
And then like the bottom's like a half coconut.
Yeah,
Like
that is,
like a really big hazelnut.
that is a really crazy one. I mean, what's the point of all this part? Do they reach their arm out there to play notes way over here?
I don't know.
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Jeez, what the? We're being introduced to so many new instruments today.
Like I'm in music class. Ooh.
That one sounds really cool. Oh yeah. Smooth jazz. Then the cowbell.
Do you think you could be the cowbell guy?
I could play the cowbell. I could do it. This one, also I could do, by the way.
Wow. Orchestra in here?
Uh-oh.
Oh man.
Wow.
What a
That
way
was
to
so
end
cool.
it.
So
gotta
many
imagine-
instruments. Wow.
Yeah, I got to imagine the whole point of this one was to show off the different instruments. Like that's kind of the theme of this one, because there wasn't any singing, unlike the last
No.
one we checked out. So I imagine that was like introducing you to a lot of possible traditional instruments or just in general instruments.
It would have been cool if they would have like said each instrument on the video when they showed this like wild looking guitar they're whipping out there. That would have been cool to actually see the name of them.
Yeah, I wonder if like the origins of a lot of these are from Turkey, or if I don't know, the cello is probably not from Turkey, but if like some of these ones we've never seen before are from Turkey or not.
It gotta be, or maybe some of them are like
Yeah.
some of the ones that we've like really never ever seen. But really cool videos. I really like the theme of this video, these videos overall. And if you'd like us to check out more, let us know.
It was a banger.
Banger! Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.